Hello everyone, welcome back to a very important class of FINRA, and we have done very important question till now, but we are left out with some more important questions. So welcome back to Dr. Sorsa classes. To all the commerce students, you have been following, I think you guys have followed our videos for quite a long time, and I think you are enjoying this. But again, before I start my class, every time I say this, that if you have got any doubt, or if you want classes, if you want to go for mock test, if you want study materials, please contact us in the number 906239512 number. The number is given in the screen, and this is Dr. Saurav Sir classes number, and there will be dedicated teams who will help you out in your queries. Okay, now let's go for the question. Which of the following statements best explains the difference between an agent and a broker dealer? An agent is an individual who represents a broker dealer or an issuer and buys and sells securities he does not own in return for commission on the transactions he executes. A broker dealer may also buy and sell securities for his own portfolio, in which case the broker dealer enjoys any price appreciation on those securities. A broker dealer must be licensed in the state in which he conducts business, but there are no separate licensing requirements for agents. Agents are engaged exclusively in the purchase and sale of stocks, whereas broker dealers also buy and sell bonds and options on contract. Agents conduct their business exclusively in the secondary market, while broker dealers also operate in the primary market. Tell me. Let's go for the first one, first option. Break down the question. The question is asking for the core difference between agent and broker dealer. Who is working for whom and who owns the securities, you have to know. Now, just now before that we have been doing a question on this agent and broker dealer, but again I have to clarify it out for the people who have joined now. Who is agent? Tell me. Agent is an individual, first of all, an individual who does what? Who works on behalf of broker dealer. Works on behalf. And then, or issuer, broker dealer or issuer, and does not own securities. Okay, does not own securities. And earns commission. Got it? And who is a broker dealer? Who is a broker dealer? A firm or entity first. Entity can act as broker, that is executes trades for others. And then dealer trades for its own account. Got it? So the key power is can buy and sell for itself and earn profit from price changes. Okay. Now let's go for the options. First, it says an agent is an individual who represents a broker dealer or an issuer and buys and sells securities he does not own in return for a commission on the transaction he executes. A broker dealer may also buy and sell securities for his own portfolio, in which case the broker dealer enjoys any price appreciation on those securities, and it's a perfect definition of this. This is correct. It clearly says agent represents and earns commission, right? Over here it says agent who represents and earns commission, right? Talking about commission. And broker dealer can trade for its own portfolio. See, a broker dealer can trade working for its own portfolio, right? This is the fundamental difference, giving a fundamental difference. Understood? Now let's focus on option B. A broker dealer must be licensed in the state in which he conducts business, but there are no separate licensing requirements for agents. What does it mean? It means it's wrong. Agents do require licensing, right? Why? Agents do require licensing. Okay? Got it? So this statement is factually incorrect. Type of securities. Agents are engaged exclusively in the purchase and sale of stocks, whereas broker dealers also buy and sell bonds and option contracts. Agents are not limited to stocks only. Understand? Now they can deal with bonds, options and everything, but they are not limited to stocks. So agents are engaged exclusively in purchase and sale of stocks. Exclusively? No, this is the wrong word. They can purchase and sell stocks, but not limited to stocks. Okay. Now D says agents conduct their business exclusively in the second market, while broker dealers also operate. Again, exclusively, wrong word. No. First of all understand this. It's very misleading. Agents are not restricted to secondary markets only. Both can be involved across markets. So they are not, agents are not restricted to secondary markets only. Got it? So wow corner में एक बात है. So we have to say one thing, that ownership is the game changer. So features agent and broker dealer, we have to say that ownership is the agents are not, they cannot have the ownership right, but yes, broker dealer can have. About the role we can talk about like this. For example, you have to know, first is ownership. Can agents have ownership? No. No. But broker dealer, yes. Can agents have role? Role, yes, they represent. What is their role? Represent. And what is their role? Their role is principal plus agent. Primary role as well as they play the role of agent as well. What is the income of both? This is commission. And this is commission plus C plus profit. Got it? Nothing more to explain over here. I think I have explained it enough. I think have I made myself clear? I have made myself clear, I think. So even if there is any doubt, you have got the helpline number, you can call over there and you can prepare for your FINRA examination. All the best guys. Let's end the video over here. We'll meet you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.